at T Squad. Thank you so much for coming by anything in the show. Welcome, please subscribe to become a T Squad. Guys, seqalile usuku nje ngiqala manje vlog sukade qalile nje ngilate kodwa ke ngizoqala vlog la sikhona soqhubeka nayo ne. So nje guys, the friends I have exactly. So nje mengaplane nanokuzala the friends I have child period. So guys, let's continue with the vlog and yeah, let's enjoy. Please enjoy this vlog, guys. Subscribe, tell your family, your extended family to subscribe to my channel. It's a vibe up here. It's a vibe. The friends I have, guys. Child. Alright guys, let's vlog. It's a messy vlog, by the way. It's a messy vlog. Yeah, vlog nje angilingeli ukuthi ngizovlogger. Oh, outfit engifakile, it's a long dress. Kuningi, kwenzeka same time konke. That's why I love my friends, Shane. Okay, kwane kwenzeki. And kuyenzeka futhi without planning, but nje konke kwane kwenzeki. So period child. Let's get right into this vlog. The view child. Nizobona asiqhubekeni asiqhubekeni ngale vlog. Bye guys.
Our chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here.
Another day, another drama. Assemble survival now. So morning guys, ninjani. It's the next day. Let me recap yesterday. And yesterday it was an unplanned lunch with my bestie. It was an unplanned lunch with my bestie. Sibene lunch guys, akukutheni, and I didn't plan to vlog izolo, so that's why ngiqala vlog yami ngisethwele lase hotel. Alright, so yeah, and namhlanje ngiyogeza ikhanda bese ngiyacosha ngazi ngizocosha ngoba ngihlezi mengisemoni ngathi ngacosha ukuthi ngobani ngazi kodwa ke let's go and relax my hair. I hope bazongirelaxa kabi. I-hairline yami gone, installation ngiyayibonga. No. Chat. Ngaphansi kwaleli kepisi. Yo, okay guys, yeah, that's it.
This one I beg you, baby, jabata. Me, I no get time, I did jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we don't get jabata. What's it called? Chihuahua, all the men, the cat, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it called? Chihuahua, all the men. Die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I they try to take me to another way. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want feel house, I still want to know. What's it go? Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?